Start this session by lying on your back. Be sure that you are warm. Be sure that you are comfortable. Allow your arms to drop by your sides with palms facing up. The practice of Yoga Nidra is the practice of yogic sleep, assisting to alleviate stress and realigning the nervous system. I will be guiding you to a hypnagogic state where you will remain focused and deeply relaxed. You will remain still and awake for the duration of this deep rest practice. Remain awake by listening to the sound of my voice. Taking a double breath in and long exhalation. Repeating a double breath in and long exhalation. One more time, double breath in and long exhalation. Your only responsibility right now is to completely relax. Now breathe easy. Come back to your natural breath. Allow your breath to flow through your body. Become aware of the weight of your physical body. Let your body become heavy. Noticing your breath flow in and out. Noticing the temperature of the air as you breathe in through your nose and exhale, lying in perfect stillness. Feel your body resting on the floor. Notice all points where your body meets the surface you lie on. Notice your body becoming even more heavy and relaxed. Bring your attention to sounds in the distance. Take a few moments to follow these sounds. Move your attention from sound to sound. Now bring your attention to sounds close to you. Move your attention from sound to sound. Notice each sound one by one. Now is the time to make a simple affirmation. Use the present tense starting with I am. Now mentally repeat your affirmation 3 times. And now we begin a progressive muscle relaxation. As you breathe in, send your attention to your entire body. Allow your yourself to completely relax. We will start with the hand. Bring your attention to your right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of hand, back of hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of foot, top of foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Now bring your awareness to your left side. Left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of hand, back of hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of foot, top of foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Now bring your awareness to the back of your body. Right heel, left heel, right calf, left calf, right thigh, left thigh, right buttock, left buttock, lower back, middle back, upper back, the entire spine, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, back of the neck, back of the head. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head, forehead, right temple, left temple, right ear, left ear, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, middle of the eyebrow, right eye, left eye, right nostril, left nostril, right cheek, left cheek, upper lip, lower lip, both lips together, chin, jaw, throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, right side of chest, left side of chest, upper abdomen, navel, lower abdomen, right groin, left groin, the pelvic floor, the whole right leg, the whole left leg, the whole right arm, the whole left arm, the whole face, the whole head, the whole torso, the whole body, your entire body. Becoming aware of your breath. And becoming aware of the room around you. Visualize the surrounding room. Imagine where you are in the room. Lie quietly here. When you are ready to move, go slowly. Begin with your hands and feet. Take your time. There is no rush, there is no hurry. When you are fully awake, gently open your eyes. Roll over onto your right side. Stay here on your right side for a few moments. Then use your hands to press yourself up from the floor. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. If you enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. You can find us at clarity4.com for everything personal development.